Once again, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to introduce an amazing Excel utility which we are using every day. The NEFT RTGS form of ICICI Bank. So many practical videos relating to accounting profession are available in my channel. Kindly go through each video. It may help you to perform better in your accounting career. I am Sabu Joseph. Welcome to svjacademy. This is the template of the NEFT RTGS form. This is very simple. You can do only 3 steps. The NEFT or RTGS forms will be ready. No need to write the form by hand. So when we go to write the form by hand, it may take around 15 to 20 minutes to finish the form. So without much effort, we can print the NEFT or RTGS form within few seconds. In this utility, I have given two databases. One is for the beneficiary and the other is for the applicant. So in my utility, you can use more than one applicant. That means if you have 5 different business entities and all those entities have account with the ICICI Bank, you can simply specify all those company name, account number details here, and within a single utility we can use the multiple functions. So this is the database of the applicants, that means our company, remitter. After filling the necessary data, the only thing we want to fill here, the name of the entity, account number, bank branch, the PAN number of the entity, mobile number, and the signatory. This is the only field we have to fill here. After filling the field here, go to the NEFT form. You can see the name of the applicant. From here, you can select the desired entity while preparing the form. Now I am selecting the entity name C. Here I have given one more database for the beneficiary. So click on here. It will go to the beneficiary data tab. The name of the beneficiary, name of the bank branch, account type, IFSC code, account number. If required, we can fill the address of the beneficiary. So this is the only field we require to fill on the database of the beneficiary. So once a database is assigned, it is for the lifetime. No need to search here and there. So whenever we want the data, we will get within a scroll. Now I have filled so many beneficiary data on the data tab. Now go to the NEFT form. So when we are going to make a payment to one beneficiary, just select the beneficiary name here. You can type the name here. Now I selected one name here, and here we want to enter the amount. Suppose we have to pay 1,25,000. Now the amount is shown here, and the check number. Here enter the check number 123456. This is the check number. Now the check number is entered. After the check number, you can see one more column. If we want to make the form in advance, that means today is 27th July 2021. Tomorrow morning we have to give one form. So by today itself we can prepare the form, but the form should be dated 28. So we can give one day here. It will be added by one day. Now the form dates changed to 28. If we don't want the post dated form, we can keep the cell blank. Here also I have given one more option to prepare the form without date. If you don't want to print the date of the form, you can select no. If you selected no, the entire dates disappeared from its column. So you can prepare the form in advance also. Whenever we are giving it to bank, you can write the dates manually, or we want to print the dates, you can give yes. Now the date is appeared on the form. And the one more beauty is, whenever the amount 2 lakh or more, automatically the form will select the RTGS and show us the RTGS form. And whenever it is below 2 lakh, automatically it will select the NEFT. See here I have entered 1,25,000. So it is selected the NEFT. Now I am going to enter 2,50,000. Now see, the form is marked by RTGS. So no need to worry about whether it is RTGS or NEFT. Depending upon the threshold limit, it will decide which form it should print, whether RTGS or NEFT. And one more option is given. Some of the bank may ask to give the form with the exchange or commission, and some of the bank may accept the form without the exchange or commission. They will debit the exchange or commission to our SB account or current account. If the bank asking to give the check or form with the exchange or commission, that option also added here. If we want to add the exchange or commission, you can select yes, or if we don't want to add the exchange or commission, we can select no. Now see 2,50,000 showing here. If we selected the option yes, that means show the exchange or commission on the form and check. Now it is showing automatically 2,50,030. So this exchange or commission also you can assign on the database. Here I have given the database of the exchange or commission. This exchange or commission may vary from time to time, and the from to amount also may vary from time to time. So whatever the updation is giving by the bank, you can update that details to the database. Automatically it will calculate the exchange or commission as per the data we given. And also the payment through option. The ICICI Bank is asking to mark the payment through option, the cash, check and debit on my account. So that option also given. You can select cash. Now the option cash only, it is selected, and if you want to make the payments through check, select check. Now see the check selected, and if we want to debit the amount from our account, we can select the option. Now see that option selected automatically. So all these will take only 3 to 4 seconds. Now see, only we have to assign the beneficiary name, then the amount, then the check number. Now the form is filled. So all the details of the applicants and all the details of the beneficiary are showing here. So the customer acknowledgement is also auto-filled. Now can we see the form, how it will look like? You can print the form after previewing it. So click on preview and print. This is the print preview of the form. How it is? Is it nice? This is the first page of the form, and this is the second page of the form. Everything is showing perfectly. So why you are wasting your time by writing all those forms? And see, the most important thing is, now most of the banks have more than 12 digits of account number. So most of the accounts have 5 to 6 zeros. So whenever we write an account number, there is a chance for mistake, because a lot of zeros and all other digits, we will miss one digit. The entire account number will be wrong. Hence, on the database, we assigned everything one time. No need to change every time. So it will be correct. So there is no chance for any errors or mistake. My humble request to all the viewers who are not subscribed, kindly subscribe my channel, like and share my channel to your friends and colleagues. Lot of practical and other sessions of video available in my channel. Definitely it may help them. This utility is available on demand. If you want the utility, you can drop your requirements on the comment box. Don't forget to mention your email ID. Then only I can share the utility. So don't forget to mention the email ID. Drop your comments. I will share to you. You can save so many hours every day. You can prepare the form without any mistake. Kindly subscribe and share my channel. We can meet on next video. Till then, bye.